Hey guys, we are back and we are jumping right into the video. We are doing our third Ramadan setup in real time. Today is the third day of Ramadan, so Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. By the time you guys see this, I think we will be about 3 weeks into Ramadan already. But let me get into the colors. We are using Murrow White Gold by Lush Balloons, and I will link them in the description box. We are using Black by Sempertex, and we are using Empowerment stuff with cocoa, both by Tuftex, and I'm using 11 and 5, and then 18, 11 and 5 in black, and for the empowerment 17, 11 and 5-inch balloons. Now these Mirror White Golds, I only know them to be by Garland as far as this color. I got them from Lush Balloons, and I thought they were just being like a third vendor, but when they came, they were actually packaged in packaged in as Lush Balloons. I'm not sure if these are actually Garland Mirror White Gold balloons or if they are actually the brand Lush Balloons and they had their own made or something. I'm not really sure. I mean, I do have a pair of the Garland Mirror purple balloons, and they were a little thicker than these Mirror White Golds. They was quite thin. I had a few of them that one popped for no reason. I had about 2 that just started to deflate. And yeah, so I'm not sure. I do want to order some Mirror White Gold by Garland as well, just see if there's any kind of difference, because I was waiting for them to come back in stock on Bargain Balloons, but I guess they were taking a little bit too long. They actually came in the next day after I ordered these. And these was also way higher, a little bit. Probably, I think it was like $30 more than what I would have paid for if I just waited for Bargain Balloons. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be getting them again from this vendor. But I will still link them in my description box if you guys want to take a look. And see what else they have in stock. And we will be doing the setup at a Musalla. Just something on the staircase for where the minbar is at. So we'll be doing that. So I forgot to mention that for the these empowerment with the double stuff, they started to make a mark on the that mark on the balloon, and if you see it right there, so I end up stopping it here because I wanted to put the cornstarch on the cocoa balloons and then stuff them again. So yeah, it took a little extra time, but if you don't know the trick, this is how it looks. It was a mess, but yeah, if you don't know that trick, I have a reel on Instagram. You can follow me at Balloons.Online 3. So we are on site right now. I am securing the 260 balloons onto the railing. I did 3 points, one at the top, middle, and then at the bottom. Eventually I would get there. I did wrap the 260 balloons around the black clusters when tying it onto the railing. The clusters are made of 6 balloons out of each one. If you see me doing like long pauses, I'm trying not to say it's kind of hard when you think about it. Every time I'm about to say I don't know, it's hard. I'm trying not to say too much, but right now I think I just said it. I am tying a cluster to another cluster, and it's so hard. Oh my god. So I'm tying another cluster. I just tied another cluster, and I'm wrapping a 260 around it now to secure it. And after this, before I start adding on the 5-inch balloons, I will be going in just to shape it right now to make sure that everything is nice and tight and no gaps are showing on the garland or any kind of way. And I believe I mentioned that the clusters are made out of 6 balloons and not 8 balloons for this look. I was just trying to make sure that they were not too thick so we can get the colors in at least 2 or 3 times. And for the 5-inch balloons, for the 5-inch balloons, I did make them at home on the 260Q. So I have 2 5 inches or 2 clusters, filler clusters on both ends. And I just use those to wrap it around the balloon and then, you know, place them in whatever holes I need to fill in. And I did end up adding some after I put this up. As you can see, it's like a large window on the right corner. And the sun was like beaming in. So I did end up spraying some of my high shine on the Garland just because I didn't want them to start to oxidize too soon. So I did end up spraying some balloon shine or high shine on it actually. But this is the final look, guys. This is how everything turned out. Something simple and cute. I love the colors. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.